Hello, students. We are officially more than halfway through the class at this point. We are embarking on week 5, and you have taken the midterm exam, so congratulations on reaching this milestone. So what are we going to look at this week? Week 5 is a pretty big week. It kind of parallels in terms of workload to week 3. I feel like those are the two most heavy weeks of the course. But in this week, we wrap up our discussion of manufacturing and product processes, and then we'll switch gears to looking at service processes. So we wrap up this discussion of product processes and manufacturing processes with a discussion of Chapter 7. So Chapter 7 looks specifically at production process mapping and product process matrices. And we also look at break-even analysis. So those will be the main topics of Chapter 7 that we'll study. You'll have a Connect assignment to complete regarding those content areas. And then we switch to service processes and look at Chapter 10. So in Chapter 10, we really first just start off by distinguishing the primary differences and characteristics between service processes and manufacturing processes. And then we analyze the quantitative implications of service processes by looking at queuing or waiting line theory. And so we'll estimate several different things, important things in waiting line situations, such as service utilization rate, the length of waiting time, and average customer wait time. You'll have a Connect assignment to complete regarding that content. And then we'll also look at a discussion involving contact centers because those are a big service industry. And there's various types of contact centers, and I give you some supplemental articles to look at just to inform your discussion of the contact center case study that we complete in the discussion board. And those supplemental articles are in the course lounge. So it would be great for you to consult those just to add a little bit more information to your responses. Other than that, continue to work on your independent case study as that will be due at the end of next week. And if you have any questions whatsoever, don't hesitate to send Professor Rook an email and he will clarify any areas of misunderstanding that you have. Take care.